Place the electronics system onto the surface where you will lie down to take your readings. To take a reading, begin by pressing the clear button on the back of your system to turn it on. The button will light up blue when the system is on. The system may take a few minutes to start. During this time, feel free to use the bathroom. You should be relaxed before taking your measurement. Remove the handheld unit from the storage cradle by the plastic handle and place near the system. Make sure to completely unwind the cable from its groove. Lie down on the pillow. A large green circle that reads "Start" will appear on the screen of the handheld unit. Press and release the green button once. Avoid placing the handheld unit directly on your chest during a reading. Adjust your position on the pillow until the bar on the screen turns green and you hear,
"Good position on pillow. Stay still."
If you don't hear this message, other voice messages can help guide you to the best position. These messages will ask you to shift position on the pillow if necessary. If you hear,
"Shift slightly on pillow,"
change your body position by making slight movements towards the shoulder opposite of where your sensor is located. While the reading is being taken, you will hear some light music playing. Please be as still as possible during this 18-second reading period. When the music finishes, the voice message will let you know that you can get up.
"Reading completed. You may get up."
At this point, you may step away from the electronics system, but do not push the power button or unplug your system. The reading is automatically stored and is sent to your doctor. If the reading is being sent through your telephone line, you may not be able to make or receive a call during the transmission process. The system automatically sends the information at no charge to you or your telephone service. After a few moments, the system will turn itself off, indicating that the reading was sent successfully. At this time, you may return the handheld unit to the cradle and store your unit. If your system is having trouble connecting, your reading is stored on the machine and will automatically upload the next time it is able to connect. It is important that a reading is taken and sent as prescribed by your doctor. Refer to the troubleshooting section of this video, the Quick Start Guide, or your Patient System Guide for assistance. If you're still having technical difficulty, please contact technical support at 1-844-692-6367.